Today we'll be going ahead and remove the ESC Genesis horn strobe, and then we're gonna go ahead and wire up the Gentex Commander. No, we're gonna go ahead and remove the Gentex Commander 3. So let's go ahead and remove this two alarms here. So what should we remove first? I recommend we're gonna go ahead and remove the Gentex Commander 3. So to remove it is you might go ahead and remove the front cover for it. And now slide out this. And as you can see, we're going to go ahead and remove these two wires, and then we're going to go ahead and remove the bracket. So let's go ahead and remove the bracket first. We're going to go ahead and get your screwdriver and remove this. There you go. Now let's put the screw right here. And now we're going to go ahead and remove the bracket, the mounting bracket, with the screwdriver. Go. Here we go. Now your alarm, your Gentex Commander 3 alarm, has been taken off the back box. As you can see, no marks. Really good. Let's put this here. This is what we're gonna go ahead to. This is where we're gonna go to install today. This multi-CD speaker strobe. And now we're gonna go ahead and remove the ESC Genesis horn strobe, the one we have here. So as you can see these two screws or two snap points. Two holes right here. Go ahead and remove this with your screwdriver. And then what you're gonna do is remove this, insert your screwdriver into the screw, and then take this screw out. And we're gonna put the screw right here, and then we're gonna go ahead and take both wires out. There you go. Like, what's going on right here? Alright, so as you can see, your black wire is gone. And then we're going to go ahead and remove these two wires. No, we're going to go ahead and unscrew the alarm. There we go. And as you see, your fire alarm is now taken off the board. So as you can see, my ESC Genesis horn strobe is finally now taken off the board. Because as you can see, now the wires are exposed. But today, we're going to go ahead and wire the speaker strobe. Let's do it. Like, I know there's a screw on it, but we're going to go ahead and do that now. So I'm going to go ahead and take off the faceplate, take it off the screw, and then mount it onto the back box. So, as you can see, to remove the alarm, you may go ahead and get your screwdriver. And this one actually pops out just like that. And as you can see, we're gonna go ahead and remove the screw. Okay, so I got the screw, and I just got the screw out. Like, it was like this big screw right here. Right, like, there's the big screw right there, just like fit right onto the hole right here. We're gonna go ahead and use this screw to mount this onto the box and see it's supposed to work. But before we get into that, let's wire up the strobe. So as you can see, you're gonna go ahead and mount this. So this one right here, this is going to be the positive, the strobe negative. Yes, we're not gonna go ahead and wire up the speaker because usually I do not have the amplifier for it. But let's go ahead and wire this up and see how it's supposed to work. Okay, so as you can see, I just connected the white wire. The white wire goes down to this wire, the screw terminal right here. So we're gonna do is insert the. Okay, so as you can see, I just connected the white wire, and now as you can see, we're gonna go ahead and wire this in this terminal right here, and then we're gonna go ahead and wire up the next terminal, which is the strobe. So the black wire right there is the strobe. We're gonna go ahead and wire up the positive terminal here first. Hold on, let's use this by hand. Okay, so as you can see, I just got the white wire connected to this wire. And now what is the second wire, the negative wire. So the black is the negative. We're gonna go ahead and wire up the negative terminal right here and see how we work. Okay, so as you can see, I put the screw right there, and I must understand that I can go ahead and wire this. And before we get into that, I'm gonna go ahead and check the candelas here. So this is for the strobe. So the strobe, the strobe on that is 15, 30, 75, and 95. So if I could switch it, it's 30 right here. This one is on 75 and 95. I recommend put it on 75. And this one is a speaker candela, so I will not touch that, but I'll just leave it the way it is. But let's go ahead and screw in with this screwdriver here. We're going to go ahead and wire this. Screw this in. There you go. Not too thick, but it's nice. Let's just squeeze it harder. There we go. Alright, so now this is done. We're going to go ahead and mount the plate on here. There we go. And then as you can see, but before we get into that, let's check the model number. The model number of this one is right there. Model number 80TGC S70 S7VM. I think it is called. And this is a multi-city speaker strobe, as you can see, like I already said. Now let's go ahead and mount this onto here. We're gonna go ahead and mount this thing right here. And just close it. Nice. So as you can see, you got your speaker strobe wired up. Now let's connect the batteries to the pull station with the speaker strobe. Alright, now it's my chance to pull the fire alarm. That could set off the strobe, not the speaker. So the speaker is off because I didn't wire it, but only the strobe will flash. Because the reason why I did not wire up the speaker, because usually I do not have the amplifier for it. Let me turn the flashlight on. But as you can see, in the inside, let's turn the flashlight on again. You got the speaker it all wired up. And then let's go ahead and just pull the fire alarm and see how it's supposed to work. It starts in action in 3, 2, 1. See the strobe flashing? Yeah, that strobe is really bright. Look, see? Strobe is on 75 candela. Let's go ahead and reset this. So we're going to lift the knocker and just pull it down. Yeah, that works. Alright. See you in a little bit.